Hey everybody, this is Ashmit and this is the Python tutorial 3 for absolute beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, there are three kinds of operators. Today we are going to learn about operators. Now there are three kinds of operators. Assignment operators. Now what are assignment operators you may ask? Those are like print 3 plus 2. Now you just copy the same thing, copy the same thing, Control C, Control V, Control V. Alright, now you just put here the division sign. Division, multiplication, multiplication, yeah, all those things basically. So these are all the things and subtraction, how can we go with that? And subtraction. So 3 minus 2. Now all of these are gonna print as nothing special really. Let me just comment this all out so my console is clear. Yeah. And now we're gonna learn about logical operators, which are the operators that help you to like uh, tell the logic, obviously. So first of all, take some space and suppose x is equal to 123. Now is y is equal to 45. Print x will equal y. Now, when you have to, this is like basically this will what will this print? You have to guess it. This will print false, as this is right here a Boolean. Now, a Boolean can help us like if you want to prove that something is false or true, then see 123 is not equal to 45. That's why it is saying false, that it is not equal. And whenever you you have to like use a boolean, you need to do put double equal to signs if you don't already know. So yeah, that's the thing. And then there are these assignment operators. You just comment this out. You should comment things out if you're doing your Python tutorial and following. Like you are, when I'm doing the things, you are also doing the things. So that you can keep your console clear. Alright. So now you just need to like suppose x is equal to 123 again, and x plus equal to 5. Print x. So x is equal to what? Now I have done this special symbol. So x is equal to 128, as 123 plus 5 is 128. So I just added the value onto it. That is the thing, and those were the things, and you need to learn this. And one more thing, that is you're gonna add booleans over here. I forgot about adding booleans. These are booleans. Alright. Now this and the logical operators, that x is equal to 123, y is equal to, I don't know why I'm taking the same variables again and again when I can take anything, any variable really. So now print x. X is um, and 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 y is smaller than x. All right. So in this case, both of the values have to be true or false. then only it will print something. Otherwise, we can see what it is. It prints true because x is greater than y and y is smaller than x. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. And one more thing, that if you do something like this, like x, y, and now you can use the or function. That is, like, if you do y, now if one of these was like false, like it was false, so you would have got the one of these was false, so you would have, and the other was true, so you would have the, like, Python, when the interpreter would have printed true here because y is smaller than x. So let's see what it will print. True, true. Now both of the conditions are true, or even one, it if it will be true. If I say, like, y is greater than x here, then also it will show me that it's true. See, it's still showing me true because one of the conditions is true. Y is smaller than x. Y is not greater than x, but it's smaller than x. So if it's smaller than x, so it will read only this one and give me the output for this one only. That means that it will give me it will print true only, and it printed in front of you. Done. Done. Now, this is gonna be it for the Python tutorial 3. This is Ashmet, and without any further ado, let's practice and learn Python and learn Python. That was so unexpected, really. And learn Python, and I will see you in the next.